Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how you can test all sensors in Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, you need to go to your dialer and type this code *#0 *#. Then this menu will appear. From here you can test any sensor. Let's say I want to test my touch sensor, so tap on touch and here draw. So the green means the touch sensor is working absolutely fine. As you can see, the Samsung Galaxy A17 touch sensor is working fine. And from here you can test others. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.